Hello, my name is Attorney Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today it's my privilege to introduce Attorney Sean Pico. Sean, it's good to be with you.
Thank you, Van. Thanks for having me.
And what are your practice areas here at the firm?
Van, I practice family law, estate litigation, and complex civil litigation.
And when we say family law, what does that include for your practice?
That can include divorce, property settlement, child custody, child support, spousal support, or pre and post nups, depending on when a client comes to see us.
And estate fiduciary litigation, what do we mean when we say that?
It means will disputes, trust disputes, or power of attorney disputes.
Understood. And what sort of preparation and background do you have for complex trials and litigation?
I would say what helped me the most was when I clerked for the Henrico Circuit judges. I was able to have a firsthand look at how the judges view different cases and pick up on different tendencies by different lawyers in court and build that into my practice.
And you grew up here locally?
That's right, Hanover County.
Great. And I also understand you're an athlete.
That's right. I was fortunate enough to play baseball at Longwood University.
And we're fortunate to have Sean with us. Sean Pico is an amazing trial attorney, a skilled negotiator, and he is already benefiting our clients immensely as he represents them in family law, estate and fiduciary litigation, and complex trial litigation. It's our joy to have Sean with us, and I know you'll enjoy meeting him too. We look forward to having you.